Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in and navigate the Ring Always Home dashboard on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap login, enter your email and phone number and your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the codes into your device. Once done, tap sign in. After logging in, you will see the dashboard. This is where all your Ring devices like cameras, doorbell and motion sensor are listed. You can see which devices are online and get a quick snapshot of your home's activity. Or you can set up your device. Tap on the setup device. From here you can set up your doorbell, security cams or security. After setting up, you can monitor your home activity or monitor on doorbells anytime. To see what happens in the real time, tap any device. This opens the live video feed. Tap the settings icon on the device to adjust alert, motion sensitivity or other preferences. Tap history at the bottom of the dashboard to review record event. You can watch videos, save clips or share them if needed. It's a great way to stay updated on everything happening at the home. And that's it, logging in and using the Ring Always Home dashboard in simple. Now you can monitor your home, adjust settings and stay safe. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.